tell me why. Someone tell me
I don't need this no more. I don't need to stay, finna walk out that door. My mistake, giving you love galore. Hope you find someone that can really adore you. Don't worry, I ain't keeping grudges, cause I'm doing better, life cannot be more golden. But honestly, I won't lie, sometimes I ask why I can't get you out my head, now hard to forget that I
really need to cut you off. You're always trying to lead me on. You're making all these promises, and you'd always quit. You're just another hypocrite. No, I'm can't you got no ahead. No, you thought that I would always stay, but you thought I'd be yours, and she got my mind no but. Someone tell me why.
We was going to Pensacola Beach, but we came across Navarre Beach first. And y'all, there's like nobody out here.
This shore is beautiful.
It is beautiful. White sand.
Boss, boy, I'm actually doing just fine. Even when you were not mine, but that cup shaker. 널 잊고 싶은데 그게 잘 안 돼. I really need to cut you off. You're always trying to lead me on. You're making all these promises, and you'd always quit. Yeah.
Oh no, I didn't.
That's seaweed.
It is. So the kids, they dig a huge hole, right? In the beach. Come on.
Yeah.
And then they fell. Like how? They just want to?
Yeah. But the sand is so soft that it fell on top of them and they suffocated.
Wait, so like they made a huge hole down what they was inside it, right?
Still think about you, tell me everything. You better try changing me now. Things you say.
Hey guys, wait, let's finish getting my foot. Now we can lay down. Yeah. Huh? Mama?
Huh?
We can lay down. No, Mom.
Not with your hair.
Mom,
Yes.
my friend, he keeps putting his head in the sand, and when he comes back up, he spins.
You know what?
There's sand all around you.
when no one is holding my leash. Yeah, I just make the same mistakes, and I don't wanna talk about it. I just wanna be 18 again. What's gonna bring you down when all you do is hang out with your friends? I just wanna feel 18 again. Why'd it have to change?
It's starting to get darker, y'all.
Tuesday we got a shower last.
So nice.
Oh, that's sad. And I used to love it inside the sand.
Something is alive. His body. His body's alive.
It feels so weird, Mom. Feel it, Mom.
Okay.
Mom, it's a rainbow. Where? It's on the sand. Look around, Mom.
Go.
Mom, I'm not kidding. She's so thin.
I told y'all that earlier, but nobody wanted to pay me any attention. sun.
Oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh. I am Moana. Did you see this?
Mr. Sandman. Remy. He's so crazy. Look at her about to chase that bird. We about to sit here and watch what they about to do. Cause you know, we ain't finna get in that water like that. One more look at the sun. Oh, cute. One more look at the sunset. Our first sunset on the beach, guys.
And look at the moon.
So pretty. I cannot believe this
Look
is
at
where
that
we
seagull
live.
flying.
This is legit where we live. This is crazy. It is going far.
Oh, look at that seagull just gliding.
Yep, that's what they do. I just want to see if they're going to catch a shark. Come on, baby. Yeah, because the sun is setting. Y'all. Get those patterns.
Unless we can go and buy some.
Oh. One last look at the beach before we leave. We watched the sunset.
Mom, look over there.
And we are out.
Mom, look, he's back.
Oh, he is. That guy.
Look, closer you can probably swim.
Crab hole.
I'm seeing crab hole. I mean, how they dig that much?
Ooh. I know one thing, I am out of breath.
I'm entitled to some